Welcome to video 2 of the Hawksite Getting Started series. First, we need to log back in. In the last video, we went through the configuration of the Threat Master database and we added 5 threats. Here are the threats that we added into the Threat Master database, with the threat activities added into the Threat Activity Base under Non-State Actors and under the Criminal categories. In this video, we're going to show you how to configure and update your Risk Treatment Master database by adding a series of security controls. So to start, click the Masters tab, then click the Risk Treatment Master tab. So there are 2 types of security controls. Protective security controls are those designed to prevent a security event from happening, and reactive security controls are designed to respond to it. Under protective security controls, there are 3 categories: policy and procedure, technology, and physical and manpower. Under reactive security controls, there are 4 categories: policy and procedure, team and experience, redundancy, and communication. To add a new security control, select the type and category of security control that you wish to add. Now click Add New Control. You can type in the name of the control you wish to add in free text. We're going to add a standard operating procedure for access control. Now we need to add the project type. A project type allows us to specify certain controls that are specific to particular types of project. As we're going to be carrying out a corporate office risk assessment, we're going to select Corporate Office SRA. We'll explain later how to add a new project type. The next step is to associate the threats that you added in video 1 to this security control. Click Associate Threat. Now select the threat activities that you believe are mitigated by this security control. You can add 1 or more threats or assign all threats. If you assign all threats, it would include both the current threats that you have in the Hawksite system together with any future threats that you may add. In this example, we're going to add bomb attack, unauthorized access, and then from the criminal category, industrial espionage, and theft. Now click Close and then Save. And there's your control entered into the Risk Treatment Master. Now the action options allow you to edit the control, add notes, add any relevant files, or you can delete the control. The control rating is the default setting of the control before the control audit is carried out. You can change the default rating by clicking on the box and then reselecting the default value. In this case, we're going to select Satisfactory. So you've now entered your first control into the Risk Treatment Master database. Here's a quick refresher then on how to add a new project type. Click Masters. Now click Project Type Master, and you can type in free text the name of a new project type. In this case, we're going to write in Travel Security Risk Assessment. You can select a symbol from the list. In this case, we'll use General, and then click Add Project Type. Now you can see the new project type in the list. If you wish to add a new symbol of your own, click Masters, click the Symbol Library, now click Add New Symbol, and you can add a file and then rename it before clicking Add. So, before you proceed to video 3, you need to add 1 or more security controls that are relevant to each of the threats you entered in video 1. Try to consider controls across all the categories of protective security control and reactive security control. You may want to review your notes from the e-learning training you carried out before this training for some ideas. So now you know how to configure your Risk Master database. You can add as many threats, security controls, and project types as you require. In the next video, we're going to show you how threats and controls are automatically assigned when you create a new security risk assessment.